This book is really unique because not only are you going to get some fun, exciting, and great tasting recipes, but you're also going to learn how to make light tasting canna butter and canna oils. And most importantly, you're going to learn how to properly dose each serving of your edibles. 5 years ago, a friend of mine's mom got sick with cancer, and she had a prescription for cannabis, but she didn't want to smoke it. And she said, what am I supposed to do with this? And she knew that I loved to cook. And I said, I'll make some brownies and cookies with it. And let's see, I did it back in college, let's try. And I started that way. They were very powerful at the beginning. We didn't really know what we had. But over time, I was able to learn how to cook with cannabis, how to extract the compounds into oils, how to extract the compounds into butters, and then how to cook with it. And it took me about 18 months, but I figured out how to get rid of the taste. And that was a huge breakthrough for us. And from there, everyone wanted me to start cooking for them. But when you cook with it, if you follow my recipes, you will barely taste it if you taste it at all. The beauty of this cookbook is that you can take the recipes and you can make them infused and medicated, as well as non-infused and non-medicated. So you can have 10 people at your dinner table, 5 who want to be medicated, 5 who don't, and they're all eating basically the same food, only half of them are medicated, half of them are not. And the easiest way to do that is just replace the canna butter and canna oil in the recipe with regular butter and regular oil. You're not doing this just to get people high, but you're also maybe doing this to help people, or to help yourself, or to help someone that you're caring for get better. And this cookbook will show you exactly how to do that.
We spend long time in this reggae band, playing a music, making a style, mixing the rhythm as we feel like we share a point of view, reggae life. What we share, one philosophy, is to be conscious with the nature, human unity, sharing life respectfully, without never selling our dignity. I'm gonna make it loud, I use my voice. This reggae music is making a choice to respect religions, even